Hey, what's up, guys? How's it going? So while I interviewed Mike yesterday, we were talking about giving you access to the groove.ai plugin. Unfortunately, I forgot to drop that in. We forgot to mention it on the interview. So I can reveal, here it is, right? So you can basically go grab this now. I'll put the link around. You can grab it. And it's super simple. It's a Chrome plugin. So obviously you need to be on Chrome. You add it. And then it will just say add to Chrome. And then you'll obviously pin it like I did here. And then I moved it from here right to the ends because I'm going to be using this a lot. Now, once you've done that and then you press it, it's going to ask you to add an API key, which means that it's going to plug it into your ChatGPT or whatever it is you're using, right? Now, don't forget, this is just in beta. It's just been launched, so you can grab it, start using it, and then as they roll out features, you'll be able to do more stuff with it. But it's a free plugin, right? So it's going to be something you'll be able to use for free forever, which is really cool. So the first thing you want to do is go over to platform.openai.com/account/billing, right? And then actually we want to go to account and usage, right? And my free trial expired apparently on the 1st of April. But you're going to need to create an API key. Now this API key you'll put this in on here at the top, right? So you create it, you can call it what you like, it's super simple, and then you add it in at the top here. Okay, so that's the first thing, but you'll probably find you cannot use it, right? Because if I put in talk about YouTube, you can see generate draft, I've exceeded my current limit because I exceeded it ages ago, right? So you do need to set up a plan, and apparently it's super cheap, you'll get like lots of credits for about $20. So you need to go and set that up in billing. Okay. And if I go in here, I obviously haven't done mine yet, but I'm just showing you can do that. And once you've done that, that's going to increase how much data you can use, and then you'll be able to use the plugin. So yeah, basically I'll go through that very quickly again. You add the Chrome plugin, right? And then it'll appear obviously in your plugins. Then you're going to go and add your API key, and I'll give you the link to this, and you go to API keys down here on the left user, create a key, add that in. Okay, so just go back to the thing plugin, add it in at the top here. So you're all set, and then you'll be able to start using it once you set up your payments, which will come under billing, and then you start your payment plan here. I'm going to do mine right after this, but I just wanted to get this out so that people could start using this plugin. Now, don't forget to go and check out the demo of groove.ai launch and all the features that you get and how you're going to be able to create videos. And I'll also put a link to the video that I did recently with Mike, where he talks about how you create videos, create amazing content, and how it's going to use it for your marketing. All those links will be in the show notes as well. So go and check those out, and go and check out Groove. And obviously that at the moment they're doing a launch price for, like ridiculous money, where you'll be able to become a backer, and they're launching in the next couple of weeks. So go and check that demo out, because it will be going to like a much higher payment plan after that.